Good day, Miss Mel. I am Charles Angel Jigar Galicano from Elixir A, and today I am going to talk about the 5 pharmaceutical calculations that I chose from numbers 25 to 30. So the first problem is if a prescription reads Augmentin 875 mg by mouth twice a day, how many cc of Augmentin 400 mg per 5 cc are required to dispense a 10-day supply? So what I did here first is that 875 milligram times 2, because twice a day, is equals to 1,750 milligrams. So we have here Augmentin 400 milligram per 5 cc. I cross multiplied it to 1,750 milligram. So it will become 1,750 milligram times 5 cc divided by 400 milligram is equals to 21.88 cc. So 21.88 cc times 10 days is equals to 218.75 cc. Next problem. If a prescription is written to take 50 mg of diphenhydramine by mouth 4 times a day for 5 days, how many cc of 12.5 mg per 5 cc diphenhydramine solution are required to dispense a 5-day supply? So 50 mg times 4 times a day is equals to 200 mg per day. So then times 5 days equals to 1,000 milligram for 5 days. So 12.5 milligram per 5 cc cross multiplied it to 1,000 milligram. So it will be 1,000 milligram times 5 cc divided by 12.5 milligram is equals to 400 cc for 5 days. Third problem, if an adult dose of drug is 750 milligram, what is the dose for a child weighing 25 pounds? So in here, I chose Clark's rule because the given is specified and fits to Clark's rule. So here is the equation to Clark's rule. Weight in pounds divided by 150 times the adult dose is equals to dose for child. So the weight in pounds here is 25 pounds divided by 150, and this times 750 milligram, which is the adult dose, and it is equals to 125 milligram dose for the child. Next, if a prescription calls for Lanaxin is 0.375 milligram by mouth every day, how many cc of Lanaxin pediatric elixir, which is 50 microgram per cc, are required to dispense a 30-day supply? So as you can see here, that 0.375 milligram and 50 microgram is not the same. So para hindi ko mabudlayan, so si 50 microgram, gin-convert ko na siya. I converted to milligrams. So 50 microgram divided by 1,000 is equals to 0.05 milligram. So the same na sila. So 0.05 milligram per 5 cc cross multiplied it again to 0.375 milligram. So it is equals to it will be 0.375 milligram times 1 cc divided by 0.05 milligram is equals to 7.5 cc. But it should be times past 30 days. So 7.5 cc times 30 days is equals to 225 cc for a 30-day supply. Second to the last number, if a prescription reads 50 microgram Haldol decanoate intramuscular every week, how many vials of Haldol decanoate, which is 10 milligram per cc and 5 cc, are required to dispense a 30-day supply of the drug? So in 1 month, we have 4 weeks. So what I did here is 50 milligram for times 4 weeks. So is equals to 200 milligram. Then I cross multiply the 10 milligram per cc to 5 cc. So then 10 milligram times 5 cc divided by 1 cc is equals to 50 milligram. So 200 milligram divided by 50 milligram is equals to 4. So the final answer is 4 vials. And the last number, calculate the dose for a 3-year-old child. An adult dose of the drug is 500 milligram. Use Young rule. So in here, this is very simple because Missy already indicated what rule we are going to use. So the equation for Young's rule is that age divided by age plus 12 times the adult dose is equal to dose for child. So the age here is 3 years old divided by 3 plus 12, so it is equal to 15. So 3 divided by 15 times the adult dose of 500 milligram is equals to 100 milligram dose for child. So that would be all, Miss. Thank you for giving me time. Thank you for listening, and I hope na-explain ko man mayo. And thank you again, Miss, and God bless.